Welcome back to BezReviews, where we break down the latest kitchen gadgets. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Cuisinart ClearView Air Fryer. This 9-quart basket air fryer promises crispy results and easy food monitoring. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core cooking performance and unique features of the Cuisinart ClearView. The impressive 9-quart capacity, combined with a wide basket, means this air fryer easily handles larger family-sized meals, with 5 core functions plus 3 dedicated air fry presets, along with 2 customizable settings. This air fryer offers excellent. The 1800-watt power and adjustable temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensure premium crisping performance, delivering perfectly golden and crunchy. The ClearView panoramic window is a fantastic practical usability feature, letting you monitor cooking progress directly without needing to open. Overall, the Cuisinart ClearView air fryer excels in its cooking capabilities, offering strong power and flexible. Next, we will look at how the Cuisinart ClearView air fryer integrates into your. The PFAS-free ceramic nonstick basket and crisper plate are a huge plus for ease of cleaning, ensuring effortless food release. Measuring over 15 inches in length and width, this extra-large air fryer demands significant countertop space, which might be. The digital control panel provides precise control over temperature in 5-degree increments and cooking time, contributing to more consistent. A robust 3-year warranty is a fantastic ownership benefit, reflecting Cuisinart's confidence in the product and offering substantial peace. In summary, the Cuisinart ClearView air fryer is designed for convenience with its easy clean features. The Cuisinart ClearView air fryer clearly delivers on its promise of visible, high-capacity air frying. Its wide basket design, multiple cooking functions, and easy clean features make it a strong contender for busy kitchens. While its large size demands significant counter space, the convenience of monitoring your food without opening the basket is a valuable addition.